Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, October the 13th, 2022. We have here only one regular puzzle. It's a medium Sudoku, and I have not so good news because in this newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. Let me show you. All right, let me show you no extra puzzles. That means that we continue with the edition of yesterday, because in the yesterday's additional I have 3 puzzles left. So after the regular puzzle, the medium Sudoku, I will do the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday's newspaper. All right. Yeah. Let me see. Okay. So only one regular puzzle, the Sudoku Medium. And this page, we have 3 puzzles left. The letter Sudoku, 2-star Sudoku, and the tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Cijfer block. Yes, in the yesterday's edition, Wednesday, October the 12th. Yes, 2022. All right, but first this medium Sudoku. And what's the news of today? Well, just read the newspaper, and the numbers are increasing. Yes, numbers are increasing. What kind of numbers? Well, Corona. Yeah, there is a lot of infected people here. So the numbers are increasing with Corona. All right, let me continue. This will be number 5322. 5322. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars, Sudokus. In additional, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 2 stars? We don't know. We will see if this is really a 2 stars. Alright, so let's get started. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. 4 in the 3rd row. 4 in the 2nd row. So in the 1st row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4. Okay. 3, 3. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this column, last column. 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in this middle row. So no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. You see a 4 in the 1st column, no 4 there. Here 4 in the 3rd column, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. Alright. Then. Let me see. Then. Alright. How about these three missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 2, 6, 9. 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9. And look, we have a 2 and a 6 in the third column. So no 2 and a 6 in this box. The 2 and 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 6 goes there. So one digit left in this big square for number 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so the row between the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next, so the last column, the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in the middle row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Alright. Okay. Cannot continue with the 9. How about 9, 2. 3, 3. Okay. 1, 7, and 8. 1, 7, 8. 6 in the third column. 6 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the second column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in the second row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. Let me mark those 7 and 8, 7 and 8. That means 2 numbers left in this third column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. Then. Let me think. 3, 6, 7. Well, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7. And look, we have a 3 and a 7 in this row. So no 3 and a 7 in this box. The 3 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in the last row. So no 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 3 goes there. So one digit left in this column for number 6. Alright. Okay. Then. Let me see. 5. Come on. It's taking too long. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 5 in this column. We have a 5 in the last row, so no 5 there. Here 5 in the middle row, so no 5 there. Here 5 in this row, so no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, or there. Here, or there. We see here 5 in the third row, so no 5 there. Here 5 in the second row, so no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Alright. Okay. And we have a pair. The 1 and the 3 in this row, the 1 and the 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and 6. That means we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this third row. So this box can be 7 and more. This box should be an 8, and that box should be a 7. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see here 7 in the first row, so no 7 there. Here 7 in one of those 2 boxes, in the third row, so no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. Alright, 2 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, let me mark those. 6 and 8. Alright. Then. Let me see. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so the row B3. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 and 6, well, we have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 7. Right. And then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last column for the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and the 8. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in the last row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in the last row. 1 in the row above, so in that row, only place left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here in the middle column. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1 and a 3. Now we have a 1 here in the middle column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then. The 9 in this column. The 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. Here, or there. We see a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. Here, 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. Can I count? Yeah. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 9. Alright. Okay. Then. Then 6. 3 and 5. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in the middle column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next to only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the threes are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 3. Alright. Okay. Then. Let me see. Two. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see here 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. This is number 5 and number 2. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 1 box, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here and 8 goes there. 6 and 8, well, we have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here and 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 1 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in the middle row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and no 1 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, told you. I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars puzzle. And it's definitely a 2 stars. Not faster than 50 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And well, I will see you later on in the evening with the other 3 puzzles in the additional of the yesterday's edition. Until then, bye bye for now.